Like to check it out sometime. I'm running a new promotion. Buy anything, get taken out for a reasonably priced dinner.
Yeah, Stuart's struggling financially, but he doesn't let that get him down. He believes in...
Oh, better keep a beady eye on that wee bastard. Don't want him spoiling the old promotion chances.
Christ, no. You're not worried if you bugger off to Hamburg, it'll all go against you for the promotion then?
Promotion?
Aye.
Oh, that's how.
No.
See, every time a woman drops her trousers, promotion. Every time a man drops theirs, disciplinary action. Where's the equality in that?
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word promotion. It means advancement in rank or position. Also means furtherance or encouragement. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce promotion, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to mo. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how promotion is used in real life.
So, when Bruce gets his promotion,
You're not worried if you bugger off to Hamburg, it'll...
And you're just about to lose any chance you ever had of this promotion.
No.
Well, I knew that you were either going to take that promotion or you were going to...
Anything, get taken out for a
At 5-1, Gilman poses a serious challenge to my promotion prospects. So he...
All leave, unfortunately, will be cancelled. But
like this promotion he's going for, we both know he'll win. And
See, every time a woman drops her trousers, promotion. Every
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.